Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla, and today we're going to be learning about hearing aids and the technology that has now evolved with them. So I got my hearing aids when I was my first pair when I was younger, and then this pair I got maybe 10 years ago, and I kind of just want to talk about like the technology that has evolved from now. I always liked behind the ear hearing aids, and they have now been able to have just like a hearing aid, like little thing like right here that you put in and that you don't have to have behind the ear, and so it isn't so big and large and clanky, stuff like that. And you are now able to adjust the settings. So for mine, I just have up and down, and I can't connect it with my phone, but new hearing aids now can connect with your phone. You can play like your TV, you can play music through your hearing aids. Yeah, it's actually really cool how much it's evolved. You can try to like mute the background noise that's coming from your hearing aids, or just like if you're in a restaurant and you're positioned weird, you can like control it from an app now. I don't have it because I don't really wear my hearing aids that much anymore, just in like situations that I really do need to hear, and I just really don't like it. Because more specifically, what they've really been working on is this tubing. So this tubing is really hard. Like, I think you can hear it. And that doesn't help the sound travel well from like the end into your inner ear. So you have to get it replaced. But now with new technology that you don't have to replace tubing, and your hearing aids last a lot longer. So yeah, I hope this video helps, that the world is evolving, everything's evolving, and hearing aids are getting a lot better.